Hello guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this new ETENWOLF ball pump that I got. Inside the package, it comes with the ball pump itself right here. It comes with the USB-C charger to charge the ball pump. It comes with two needles. They're both stored right here. It says needles. Just pull them out. That and the other one. And then it also comes with the drawstring bag right here. And then this comes with the pump hose. To turn on the ball pump, all you need to do is hold on to this power button for a good 2 to 3 seconds. So you see how it's on PSI. To switch the modes, you just press the M. There you go, that's a soccer ball, basketball, and that's just gear, football. There you go, and then the U would change it from PSI to KPA and then to bar. And now I'm going to show you how I'm going to pump up this volleyball. So there's a deflation and then there's an inflation. So I'm going to put into inflation, obviously. Try to inflate the volleyball. Screw it on. Take out one of the needles. Screw that on. And then in the user manual, it also says the recommendations right here for each type. So American football is 13 PSI, soccer ball is 10 PSI, basketball is 8 PSI, and then manual. We'll put this in right here. And then let's just make it soccer ball. Volleyball is pretty close to soccer ball. That's it. You can see it inflating pretty fast. It's going to say the PSI on the screen right here and the battery percentage. You can see it slowing down a bit. And when it reaches the right PSI, it's going to stop automatically. Just pull it out. And you can see that it's all pumped up. If you ever need to charge the ball pump, the USB-C port is on the bottom. I would recommend this to anyone that likes playing sports or just needs to fill up balls, bicycles, whatever you need.